let me open my eyes. What's up, bag babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hi! My name's Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love all things 31 and what it stands for, you came to the right place. Consider yourself a bag babe. Hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss another video. This video is all about a mystery bundle! Now, if you want to know about all the fun things that are happening in this channel and with 31 for the month, make sure you stay to the very end of the unboxing and I'll totally fill you in on all my mystery giveaways and all that fun stuff. So let's go ahead and right to it. All right, ladies, this is a mystery bundle that I received from my recent party that I had with 31. Now, you can only get one of these mystery bundles if you party it up with your 31 consultant. If you are wanting to do any kind of sort of party, I'm your girl. Feel free to reach out to me via text, email, Facebook, or you can fill out the form down below and I'll go ahead and totally get you all set up. There's 101 ways where you can party. You can do a party of one. You can do a Facebook party. All those kinds of parties. I'm your girl. Now, this is a mystery bundle, which is one of the many insider exclusives that you get access to when you become an insider or a hostess. This is $28, but the value of this bundle is $70+. So if you love mysteries and surprises, this is it for you. If you love gifts or have a giveaway stash, this is it for you. I love these mystery bundles, one, because you really don't know what you get. You usually get 2 to 3 items. And if it's something I love, I'll keep all of it. I'll keep some of it, or I'll put it in my gifting stash. We have a special guest here.
My name is Jonah.
So if that is totally your thing, the mystery bundle may be right for you. Now, my theory, when it's the white version, it's more of a sooner or current product, meaning like last season. I don't know about this spring season. We will find out. This is mystery bundle number 212. It says reveal, ready for the big reveal. I know, I'm ready. I love these big bags because they make great for shipping. Just be mindful when you do cut this that you don't cut into the actual stuff. All right, so I already felt this. I peeped it out. I know I have a large utility just because it has the hard framing. So let's go ahead and see what I get. Large utility tote. Will I like the print, girls? Will I like it? Let's see, there's 1, 2. Oh my gosh, there's 3 items in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I told you 2 to 3 items. Large utility tote. I know that for sure. This one, oh, I am guessing this feels like a thermal of some sort just because it's mushy and bendable. This one is hard. Oh, okay. This one is hard. And I feel like these straps right here. I have one of these, so I'm assuming it's this belt, the convertible belt. All right, let me open my eyes. Will I like it? Will I like it, bag babe? Will I like it?
Yes.
He's right. Okay, girls, color is so it. I love it. I told you, these mystery bundles totally go great with. Here is a.
I like you, baby.
Thank you, Jonah. I'm big on color. This is totally a summer print. I think they try to. Thank you, handsome. They totally try to go with what the theme is, and they put a theme in the bundle. So this is that food truck large utility tote. This is that lunch thermal truck. I believe this one is believe these are still available. If they are, I will link them down below in the description. I know for sure this is a retired print. I do have this in the black, and I kind of had my eye on the pale pink, and I'm happy with this one. So this one I'm for sure keeping. These other 2, I'll probably put it in the gifting stash. So this is a large utility tote in the food truck. Super cute. Again, it's all the way around. It says food truck. Yes, you can personalize this. It would go on the side over here.
I need good wallet.
And this one has like a little menu on it. Super cute, okay? Super cute. Then you have the matching. This is the off to lunch thermal. I believe this one's also still available too. Again, I'll link it all down below. Super cute on the go. Really mini. It has a thermal. Again, the same motif. You got the back, got the side, front, little menu, and then the front that says food truck, and a little carry-on right here. You could totally zip this up. And this is like a great like small to medium. Not too small like our thermal totes, but not too big like our lunch thermal totes. So it's a good medium size. I kind of like this size. And then lastly, we have the convertible belt, which I totally love. It's called a convertible belt because it acts like a crossbody, a shoulder bag, or you can hold it as a fanny pack. I do have this in the black, and I use it usually when I go traveling if you want a super small compact purse. I don't believe this is available. Again, I will link it down below if it is. This is the strap that is totally adjustable. Again, you can wear it as a crossbody, as a shoulder, or you loop it around and you can wear it as a fanny pack. On the inside, you just have a few card slots right there. Yes, you could totally fit your phone in here. Here is my iPhone 11 Max or Pro phone. As you can see, it could totally fit in here. No, and all about the Benjamins will not fit in here, okay? Yes, one of the small purses, like one of these, would totally fit in here, okay? So that is the little bundle that I have. I know I'm excited. I'm always excited about these bundles. If you're a major bag babe, you super love all the bundles as well. You just love surprises. Now, if you're loving anything that you're seeing or anything in the back right here, don't forget to get in on my Mystery Hostess. The link is down below. I announce the winner on the 26th of every month, and you get to earn all of the month's rewards. What's great is if you love this inside exclusive like the mystery bundle, you can get access to that if you get in on that mystery bundle, because I always try to reach for 500, meaning you get access on 2 of the inside exclusive. So let's say you want the on point bundle and a mystery bundle, there you go. Or you can get 2 mystery bundles, even better. I will tell you this, if you do get 2 mystery bundles, they will be the same one, all right? Check out my other video or my mystery bundle playlist, and that will just show you, because I've done it before, all right? If you're shopping with me within the month of May, Rockstar's May giveaway is going to be coming in a summer print. So yes, it's going to be one of those new prints, and you will be getting it from me to you, and I'll be announcing that winner in the first week of June. Yay! If you haven't noticed, there's a ton of amazing things that are happening in May. We just launched our patriotic prints that came out on the 10th. Later this month, we're gonna having a tote sale. If you want to know about all the fun things that are happening in May, I'm gonna link the video up above and down below to explain to you all about what's happening in May. And there is a great amazing money back May that is happening currently. When you decide to join in on 31 and all its perks, guess what? You can earn your kit for free along with some money and along with some free stuff. So it's goods on goods and goods. I would be honored if you chose me to work with you. You girls know I strive as much energy I put into this channel, I'll put into you if you have those certain goals. And if you want to earn that goal for free, I'm your girl, okay? If you haven't yet, join us on Saturdays during Bag Babe TV, where we go live with me and the other Bag Babes in this awesome community, and we chit chat about all the fun things with 31 that's happening for the week. I give you sneak peeks, and also sometimes we play games. Just a great way for us to get a sense of community and just give out good vibes to start off that awesome week. If you haven't yet, subscribe, check out these awesome playlists that I have for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!